Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the navigation title to green. Okay, so I want to go for like a really hacky style. So I change everything to green, but I find that there is a lacking of API for changing the title here. Let me just bring you guys to title. To here, navigation destination, navigation title, detail, yeah, which not show navigation title here. Right, so if you click, you should see, right, categories, all that, but it's another view, right, categories. Even though the category, even categories is green, but here, the Health Chart Pro Plus is not green, so I try to solve that. So what I'm going, so my solution would be, is there like a way to have a specific view for this? So I'm thinking adding a customized struct and test it with the green navigation, like a title, title view, green navigation title view maybe. Okay, so they will be conform a view and get everything inside, just a var and title. That will be a string. Okay, and we have the var of a body. Come on, I'm going to use Copilot for this because it's just painful to type everything. Okay, maybe I'm too reliant on AI. Doesn't really matter that much. Because as long as you get the thing down, that's the most important thing, right? So var and come on, body, come on, body, come on, Copilot, yeah, some view, good. We got the title passing on. Let me make it large tab. Okay, large title. I believe that's the API's name, and of course we got the screen. We can sort of change the opacity a little bit, just for yeah, beautify our app's reason, and then we can use this navigation green navigation title view by changing here foreground color frame is just text navigation title. Yeah, think about this. Navigation title padding. Yeah, I believe I got like a multiple navigation title here. So maybe this is a way should it presented. So the navigation here. Can I? Okay, I'm going to test this a little bit. Okay, I'm going to comment out, and I'm going to add a toolbar. Okay, I have no idea whether this will work or not. I just want to test a theory. Okay, so hopefully it can, work. Okay, so I'm going to add a toolbar item. Item. Can I do something like that? Okay. So in terms of API, maybe just go back here just to be safe. Generic cannot be inferred. What? Why is that? Okay. Toolbar item. Why can't be inferred? Okay. Let me placement. Okay. Placement will be I'm going to make a navigation bar leading. Navigation bar, and we can say leading. Navigation bar leading. Yeah, that's right. A trailing, and we're going to reference our green navigation title view while passing that specific title. Will be House Chart Pro Plus. So just to solve this problem programmatically, then just contact thing. So a generic. Why is that? Cannot be inferred. Okay, missing argument. Insert title. Oh yeah. So yeah, save this. Hopefully will run, build, replace, run. Finger crossed. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. and we got this detail. Yeah, and maybe I'm like, yeah, maybe it is redundant, like detailed here. Okay, the detail should be hidden. Yeah, so like a scroll view. Yeah. Can I get rid of this navigation title? Run this. Because the thing is, maybe, yeah, maybe I'm going to bring this out a little bit. Okay. That looks nice. VO2 max. Yeah, that's pretty good. VO2 max. Yeah, we'll solve that later. Right now, I just want to, this is just my. Yeah, don't worry about this. It's just me. Want to make this like more, how to say that, more like consistent. Okay. And I think I can get these two, cut it, right, bring it outside, because right now we got this like a padding, we got task, we got a sheet coming out. I think I can bring it here. Okay, maybe that will solve the problem. Redundant padding, delete this. Instead of detail, we got this destination. We bring out the view. We pad. Yeah. Maybe that's the way. Maybe it's a wrong parameters problem. For those of you guys who don't know, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter. Just me testing things. Okay, so this is like a big title. Click. We got this detail thing. But right now, yeah, we solved one of the like most important thing. We don't know how to change this title, but right now we can change it. So that's like the most important thing. Of course, we got this like sheets, all that. Do I have a tilt? I don't. But there is like a big hack here. We got this like whole body view. We can have a tilt in case we're like missing something. Okay, so we can tilt everything to green. Dots opacity to a 0.9. Okay, so that way everything inside will be just tilted to green in case I forgot. Okay, so it's like a really quick way of doing things. And of course, if I change appearances, it'll be something like this, which is relatively good, but not perfect. I prefer this like a hacky sort of style. And maybe so maybe next video I'm gonna show you how to change this picker to a more customized. This should be like a finger, hacky, like a line style sort of thing. Okay, so yeah, see you next video.